Ndewono, ana m ekele onye ọbụla. Hello, I say hi to everybody. Aha m bụ Ogbonnaya, Mazi Ogbonnaya. My name is Mazi Ogbonnaya. I'm here to teach you Igbo language. What I mean, teach you Igbo language, I'm here for us to communicate. Let us discuss, let us learn together the Igbo language. This course content is being prepared for everybody, whether you are Igbo or not. Whether you are learning Igbo for the first time, or you're already a student of Igbo language, and you want to brush your mind or brush your mind, to know more about the language. So here is the best platform for you. We are here to provide you with everything you need. Our courses or our lessons are being prepared for those learning Igbo for the first time. If this is your first time of learning Igbo, you are welcome. Yeah, you are very, very welcome. No, we say no. No means welcome in Igbo. So you are welcome. And we have different sections of our courses. We start from the beginning, from the scratch. Our courses are not just to teach you the language. We have to teach you the culture. We have to teach you everything it means to be Igbo, or everything about the Igbo language. First of all, we start from the letters. That is the alphabet, because when you want to learn a language for the first time, you go with the alphabet. So the Igbo letters of alphabet, we are going to teach you the pronunciation of each of the letters, which are the vowels, which are the consonants. How do you form words with them? That's word formation. How do you join this one to make up a word, a meaningful word in Igbo language? And from there, how would you introduce yourself? Assuming you are meeting somebody for the first time and you want to introduce yourself, how would you go about that? So how would you greet in Igbo language? You meet somebody you want to greet, you see someone who is sick and you want to tell the person sorry. You see somebody who is about to embark on a journey. So how do you tell the person bye? Things like that in Igbo language. Then we have to learn about the structure of the language, vocabulary building. How do you develop your vocabularies in Igbo language? Because the knowledge of vocabulary will help you to make future meaningful conversation. Then the structure of the language, the grammar. See, we are going to teach you about the grammar of Igbo. How do you form verbs? Definitive verbs, the past tense verb tense, the present tense, present continuous tense. So, conjunction. These are packages we are going to give you. And the most important thing is Igbo proverbs. Igbo proverbs is talking about Igbo wisdom, the knowledge of our forefathers, the philosophy of Igbo. So how do you reason? And we have radios. Wang, it is called radios in Igbo language. And we have folktales, akụkọ ifo. We are going to be telling about the akụkọ ifo Igbo. You learn about what happened in the past, the tortoise, other animals, the sheep, what happened. These are the things we are going to give you as this course, as you continue with us in this journey. So this is a journey, a step-to-step journey to what you actually need. So our courses, our lessons also are being designed to help you achieve 4 important aims in language learning. The first one, you learn how to read, how to write, how to communicate, interact, how to listen, how to speak. So you are very, 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 very welcome. No, una lola, ubua, ngwa. Wele, mkpịsị edemede gị, that is your pen. Wele akwụkwọ gị, that is your book. Akwụkwọ means book. Your exercise book, bring it. Your jotter. Mkpịsị edemede is pen. Then, na-jot. Ka ị na-ekiri video anyị dị iche iche. As you are watching our videos, na-edetu ihe ị na-ahụ, na-edetu ya. Be writing it down, jotting it down. See, we are open for communication. If you have any question as you are taking this course, feel free. Of course, you see my handle on this video at Mazi Obonaya on Twitter. Anywhere, ask me question, I will attend to you. So this is a journey, a step-to-step approach. Remember, this course is from the basic level to the advanced level 1. So we are sure that if you continue this course with us, if you take this course, you are going to master yourself, have a strong background of the Igbo language and the grammar. And one good thing about language learning is this. It's also funny to me. It's very funny. Once you understand the grammatical function of the Igbo language, how the structure works, it will now help you to use your head and form more things, more words, more sentences. So we take it off from there. Day one, Ana make it Ngwa, shebiri na next lesson. Yaga say